Dear students, now we will see verification of the truth of the statement. Okay, so in this type of questions, student is required to stress only the truth of the facts that always hold. Questions are asked in context of a particular thing or factor that is always characterized by a specific part. So the alternative other than the correct answer also seem to be bear a strong relationship. Okay, but we have to select the absolute truth. So now we will solve example. First is atmosphere always has oxygen, air, germs, moisture and dust. So here the vital part or major part of the atmosphere is air. So the answer is air here. Second is a train always has engine, rails, driver, guard and passenger. So a train always has engine. If there is no engine, we cannot call it as a train. So the vital part of this train is engine. So the answer is A. Next is which of the following is always found in bravery, courage, experience, power and knowledge. So where there is a bravery, there is a courage. So the answer is A. Okay, now we will solve exercise. First is which of the following an animal always has: lungs, skin, mind, heart and life. So animal always has life. So answer is E. A race always has referee, spectators, rivals, prize and victory. So a race always has rivals. If there is no rivals, we cannot call it as a race. So the answer is C here. Which of the following a drama must have: actors, story, beta, then sets, director and spectators. Okay, so here the drama is always has a story. So the answer is B. Next question is a book always has chapters, pages, contents, pictures and illustrations. So book always has pages. That is the most important part of the book. So answer is B. A mirror always reflects, retracts, distorts, refracts or reveals the truth. So here the answer is A, that is reflects. 6. A factory always has electricity, chimney, workers, files, sailors. Okay, so a factory always has workers. If there is no worker, factory is of no use. So the worker is the most important part of the factory. So the answer is C. Next is a clock always has battery, numbers, alarm, needles and frames. So clock always has needles. If there is no needle, we cannot find out the time. So the needles is most important for the clock. Next question is a car always has driver, bonnet, dicky, bumper and wheels. So a car always has wheels. Next question, a river always has delta, tributaries, boats, banks and fishes. So the river always has banks. Next is a tree always has which of the following: branches, leaves, fruits, roots and shadow. So if there is no root, tree cannot hold. So the most important part of the tree is roots. Okay. Next, a jail always has bars, jailer, lawyer, locks and prisoner. So a jail always has locks. D. Next, a camera always has lens, reels, flash, photograph and stand. So camera always has lens. So likewise we have to answer the questions in this. Okay, we have to follow the absolute truth. So thank you so much.